हॅलो स्टुडंट्स, वेलकम बॅक टू अवर चॅनल. आज आपण बघणार आहोत क्लास 7 सायन्स चॅप्टर नंबर 1 द लिव्हिंग वर्ल्ड ॲडॅप्टेशन अँड क्लासिफिकेशन या चॅप्टरची प्रश्न उत्तरे. चला तर मग लगेचच व्हिडिओला सुरुवात करूया.
Exercise. Question number 1. Find my match. Answer. First, lotus. Adapted to live in water. Second, aloe. Adapted to live in deserts. Third, cascata. Hostial roots for absorption of food attract insects. Fourth, Venus flytrap. Flower and leaves. Question number 2. Read the paragraph and answer the following questions. I am a penguin. I live in polar region covered by snow. My abdomen is white. My skin is thick with a layer of fat underneath. My body is spindle shaped. My wings are small. My toes are webbed. We live in flocks. A. Why is my skin white and thick, and why is there a thick layer of fat underneath? Answer. Insects adapt to any kind of habitat. Some insects can fly. They have adaptation like light bodies, two pairs of wings which help them in flying. Some insects are also aquatic. Some stay near water bodies. Some are in deserts too. Many have ability to camouflage with environment and thus they escape the attention of predators. They can reproduce in large numbers. Due to all such adaptations, insects are found in large numbers. B. Why do we live in flocks sticking close to each other? Answer. By staying in a flock, one is protected against the attack from predator. It becomes easier to parental care. Also, by sticking to each other, the body heat is not lost to the surroundings. C. Which geographical region do I inhabit? Why? Answer. Penguin stays in polar region, especially in the Antarctic region. There is abundant food available for the penguins and thus they are seen here. D. Which adaptations should you have to enable you to live permanently in the polar region? Why? Answer. In order to permanently inhabit in the polar region, the body should be adapted to cold temperatures. There should be thick layer of fat and thick skin to protect the body. The ability to regulate body temperature should be extremely good for the survival. Question number 3. Who is lying? First, cockroach. I have 5 legs. Answer. Cockroach is lying. Cockroach has 6 legs. Second, hen. My toes are webbed. Answer. Hen is lying. Its toes are not webbed. Third, cactus. My fleshy green part is a leaf. Answer. Cactus is lying. Its fleshy and green part is a stem. Question number 4. Read each of the following statements. Write a paragraph about adaptation with reference to each statement. A. There is extreme heat in deserts. Answer. The living organisms residing in extreme heat of deserts show appropriate adaptations in their structure of body and their life processes. Camel shows many adaptations like modified legs, eyes, nose, and the hump on the back. Rats, snakes, spiders, and lizards escape the heat of the sun by remaining inside deep burrows during daytime. Plants like different species of cacti have specially modified body structure with which they survive in the extreme heat too. B. Grasslands are lush green. Answer. The water availability is ample in grasslands. Therefore, there is plenty of grass and shrubs. The fibrous roots of grasses hold the soil particles and prevent soil erosion. In equatorial regions, there is lush green growth due to sunlight and abundance of water. Due to plant cover on all the sides, grasslands look lush green. C. Insects are found in large numbers. Answer. Insects adapt to any kind of habitat. Some insects can fly. They have adaptation like light bodies, two pairs of wings, which help them in flying. Some insects are also aquatic. Some stay near water bodies. Some are in deserts too. Many have ability to camouflage with environment and thus they escape the attention of predators. They can reproduce in large numbers. Due to all such adaptations, insects are found in large numbers. D. We hide. Answer. Some of those hide are weak organisms. In order to seek protection from enemies, they hide in their habitats. The coloration of their body mixes with the surroundings and thus enemies do not see these hiding creatures. Some of them hide also for catching prey. Chameleon, garden lizard can change color rapidly and become unnoticeable. This helps them to catch their prey easily. E. We have long ears. Answer. Long ears are seen in herbivores. They have to be alert from the attack of predator carnivore. They can move their ears to locate the approaching prey. In case of such danger, they run away in a herd. Having long ears is an adaptation to escape from enemies. Question number 5. Answer the following. A. Why is the camel called the ship of the desert? Answer. First, the skin of a camel is thick. Second, the legs are long with cushioned soles. Third, there is a fold of skin for protection of nostrils. Fourth, the eyelashes are long and thick and thus they protect the eyes. Fifth, fat is stored in its hump, due to which it can survive for a long time without water. Sixth, due to all such adaptations, camel becomes most suitable to walk in the desert. Thus, it is used as a means of transport and is called ship of the desert. B. How can the plants like cactus and acacia live in deserts with scarce water? Answer. First, cactus and acacia are plants that grow in deserts. They show adaptations to survive in the scarcity of water. Second, cactus does not have leaves. Leaves are modified into thorns. Therefore, water is not lost by evaporation through leaves. Third, the stem takes up the function of photosynthesis and hence turns fleshy and green. Fourth, there is thick layer of waxy substance on the stems. Fifth, roots of these plants penetrate deep down into the soil in search of water. Sixth, all such adaptations help the cactus and acacia to survive in deserts with scarce water. C. What is the interrelationship between adaptations of organisms and their surroundings? Answer. First, adaptations are the changes that take place in the structure and function of the body. Second, these modifications in various organs and life processes help the organisms to live, feed, reproduce, and create new generation. Third, they also help in the protection of the organisms against the predators. Fourth, depending upon the habitat and its geographical conditions, the organisms acquire corresponding adaptations. D. How are organisms classified? Answer. First, animals and plants are classified according to their characteristics. Second, for these, the detailed study of these organisms is done. Third, based on basic similarities and differences, the organisms are classified into groups and subgroups. Fourth, a hierarchy. Fourth, a hierarchy is formed depending upon these features. Fifth, in this way, the organisms are placed in suitable groups and classification is achieved.